Very good morning. Today we are going to start a new chapter, the second unit, that is the structural organization in animals. And the topic is animal tissues. So what are tissues? Tissues are actually the group of cells or group of cells which are structurally and functionally similar. Okay. So structurally and functionally similar cells, or group of cells, are known as tissues. So we would discuss animal tissues, and here is an introduction about the animal tissues. So animal tissues are basically are of four types: epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, and nervous tissue. In this chapter, we would discuss the various subtopics under these four different tissues, animal tissues. Epithelial tissues are of different types. There are squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, ciliated and glandular epithelial tissue. So on the basis of their size and function, shape, structure, they are different. Muscular tissues, the tissues of our muscles, they are either striated muscles, non-striated muscles, and cardiac muscles like the muscles of heart. Third one is connective tissue. So under this connective tissue, means tissue which connects one tissue to another, or it connects the body, every tissue, every part of the body. So connective tissue has the different types: areolar or loose connective tissue, dense regular connective tissue, and under this dense regular connective tissue they further differentiated into the form of tendon and ligaments. Adipose connective tissue, tissue which deposits fat or which conserves energy in the form of fat, adipose connective tissue. Then skeletal connective tissue, which is of two types: cartilage and bone. Cartilage are of different types on the basis of their location and structural arrangement. The cartilage would be hyaline cartilage, fibrous cartilage, and calcified cartilage. There are three types of cartilage. Then we have fluid connective tissue, which is also known as vascular tissue. So under this fluid connective tissue, we would study about blood and lymph. And then nervous tissue, the structure of neuron or nerve cell. So this is just an introduction about the animal tissue, and all of these epithelial, muscular, connective and nervous tissue, we would discuss all different types of animal tissues and their further differentiation and types on the basis of their structure, shape and size and function and even location. Okay, so from tomorrow we will discuss about epithelial tissue, then muscular tissue, connective and nervous tissue. Thank you.